Alrighty, welcome back everyone to Talented Videos. We are here again with Tuomas and I am Teemu and we are reading job ads and this time we also have a guest from our Norwegian team. Welcome Isaac.
Hello.
So, if we start with reading the job ad called Software Developers for a company called CCC.
The job description starts with integrated product and service portfolio that makes it possible to build and run better network society. Like, who doesn't want this?
Dream. It's the dream. But suitably vague that I still don't actually understand what's happening.
Yes, exactly. And then the solution brings television and broadband services to your home, secure safety in public places, and guide your use of public transport. It does a lot.
That's quite the mashup.
Yeah.
Our software developers are working with agile development practices, C and C++ and Go language. Well, there's low level for you.
Linux, embedded system development, IP networks, and technology. Okay. Some Unix shell scripting and Python.
For me, I think this job ad screams corporation and enterprise and something that I am not willing to do as a web developer.
Sell your soul. For 250 million euros. Oh. No, that's the total turnover.
No, that's the salary.
That's a salary. Oh, I'm in. Sign me up. Okay, but you get a strong team of 1,350 people.
I think the company being as big as it is, if you knew the name, it would tell a lot about this like environment that the possible candidate would work in. But for me, this job ad doesn't like tell much. It's basically like a shallow description of the work and the company and the technologies, but that's basically it. And I think like what I would like to see in a job ad is at least some kind of like insight with what kind of problems I would be working in this position.
And I want to know a bit more about the environment. What does it mean to work here? Because I can find 20 job descriptions like this, but why do I want to work here?
Yeah.
What's great about this company?
Well, you need can-do attitude, and they value people and teamwork.
Okay, yeah, but
That's unique.
that's pretty unique actually.
Never heard that before.
Yeah. Thomas, being kind of like mean for this company, do you think that this job description is written by some like HR department and just put them into their website?
Yeah. Well, I think that what happened is that there's a team that needs software developers and they are really busy and they don't really want to participate on the first phases of the recruiting process, and then they don't
So they've just
didn't
like
necessarily.
shoveled this over to HR.
Yeah, and they
Yeah.
gave like a really just all the, well, basically C and C++, Go and Linux, and that's it. And the poor person who had to write this, they probably didn't get any help from the team at all.
But what I liked in the at the end of the description is that for more information on the position, please contact the software manager during the application period each day at 12 to 11. So they are basically ruining this person's lunchtime.
And Saturday and Sunday as well.
Yeah, and here's their phone number, so just call them.
Yeah. Well, is there anything like really good in this job ad?
No,
I'm not getting excited.
What would be the things that the company should perhaps like improve in the job advertisement so it looks more like I don't know, exciting for possible candidates?
basically what's the day-to-day work is, what kind of stuff they are doing, all of that. Like especially when reading this this job ad, I would really like to know how many meetings do I have per week if I would work here.
Yeah, I think in this job you would have really high possibility of having too many meetings. I think if I would be the HR manager or some person who is responsible for the recruitment, what I would do is to kind of like go and sit next to the developers and really like interview them and get like proper insight what their like day-to-day activities are and how we could like wrap it up in a more exciting package and how we could like describe it in the job description as well. It might be also that this company is kind of like publicly traded company, so they might have some limitations on how much they can how much they can like tell about themselves. But still, I think you could somehow like improve this, like Tuomas said, explaining the day-to-day activities and the actual problems that the developers are facing in this position.
Yeah, I agree. Suitably vague, doesn't tell you much. And like, what does it mean to work at this company? I know a lot of the ads that I see that really win for me, I walk away and I get a really good sense of what it's like to be there day to day. What's my work look like? How is it? Yeah, what kind of people are working there?
Yeah, I mean for the software manager, it's like a really tall order to actually convince some like when somebody is calling about this position, I mean they probably have to explain a lot of things for all the same things for each applicant.
Yeah, everyone's going to have the same questions, so write it down once and save yourself some time between
Yeah.
12 and 1 Monday to Sunday.
Yes, exactly.
Alrighty, which school grade would we give for this job ad?
6. We can do ABC.
C minus.
C minus.
Yeah, C minus. It's probably same as 6.
Sounds
Isn't
fair.
isn't 6 is 6 the best or the worst?
It's from 4 to 10.
Oh.
So 4 is the lowest.
Yeah.
That's a nice scale.
That's a logical one, yeah.
Okay,
Thanks.
so it's a C minus then.
C minus.
It's a C
Yeah.
minus.